What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to Exploring Investments with Justin. And what I wanted to do in today's video was just give you guys a quick update on my portfolio because I did make a move today, and I just kind of wanted to give you guys a reason why I did that. So basically today what I did is I sold JP Morgan Chase. I did own 5 shares of this at an average cost of about $95. And I sold this to buy a couple shares of Boeing and really start a position in this company. And I did a video a couple weeks ago back on 3 stocks I'm watching for the month of May, and Boeing was one of them. And I'll link that video up top over here so you guys can go ahead and check that out if you want to. And I dive really more in depth on that video on what my bullish thesis is around Boeing and why I feel like it'll definitely be a much more valuable stock 3 years from now. This is definitely more of a long-term play because I don't see Boeing getting back to the $350, $400 range that it was trading at prior to this crash that we went through back in early March. So I do think Boeing will get back there. It just won't be quick. So this is definitely more of a 3 to 5 year play that I'm doing with this one. And so I've got the Robinhood app pulled up on my phone, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking at and kind of tell you why I sold JP Morgan Chase and bought Boeing. So if we look down, we'll see that Boeing right now is trading at $133 a share. And I apologize if you hear some footsteps. That's my pit bull over there, my puppy. I love her, but she likes to walk around while I'm taking videos. So right now, with Boeing, it is $133 a share. And I've been watching this one for quite a while. And, I always told myself if it dropped back down to $120, I would buy shares. And I was looking at the market and I was really thinking, I've got this position in JP Morgan Chase that I really only bought just to diversify my portfolio. But I mean, it is also the biggest bank stock, and, they're not going anywhere. They're basically backed by the government. So I don't see them going bankrupt. So I thought it would really just be a solid play for my total portfolio and really, not diversify it, but, really just have some stability to my portfolio. So that's kind of why I bought JP Morgan Chase. And I got to looking, and Boeing is $133 a share right now. And I thought about it, what's a $10 difference? I didn't put all of my money into Boeing because realistically I do want probably about $1,500 invested in Boeing. But what I like to do is I like to start my position small and then build them up as the stock drops or as I have more money available. But I really look for drops in the stock price to load up on more shares. I like to average costs down. So I really, I sold my 5 shares of JP Morgan for probably about, I don't know, let's call it $500. Yeah, $95 cost basis, so around $500. And what I ended up doing was buying 3 shares of Boeing at an average cost of $132.80. And right now I'm really looking, if the stock drops more, I'll definitely add more to my position. And right now I've only got about $400 in equity. So I still have another $1,100 that I need to go to get to my full position. And that's one of the things that you definitely want to do if you're buying stocks is you don't want to buy your entire position in one go. You really want to slowly build that position up and buy low, and if it keeps dropping, you just keep adding more to your total position. So that's kind of what I'm doing with Boeing right now, and one of the reasons I'm buying them is because I do feel, if we look at the 5-year chart, we don't even actually need to. We could look at the 1 year. We'll see that they were trading, around 350 to 380. Probably at an average, if we use the moving average for this, it'll be like 350 a share, and then had this steep fall off, and at one point it was at $97, and I was really watching it then, and I got kind of greedy. I was like, oh, if it goes below 90, I'll buy it. And so I missed out on some gains, but I do feel it'll get back to that at least $200 range in the next, say, 2 years, and then give it 3 to 5 years, and I could see it getting back to $380 a share. So that's why I bought it, and I just wanted to give you guys an update on my portfolio and kind of why I made this move. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to leave a comment and hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help out the new YouTube channel. And with that being said, thank you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.